we'll see question paper of A1 German exam, and particularly in today's video, we'll see tile 2 from lesson section. In the earlier video, we have seen tile 1 from lesson section. So today's video will be about tile 2. I will explain you how to solve the questions. So we'll start with the video. Introduce you that it is a extension of part 1. So in part 1, there was lesson child 1. We have seen all those examples and questions. Now in this video, we'll see tile 2 from lesson section. So I will explain you in brief. We'll see one Beispiel. Beispiel is example, and then we'll solve the questions. Now this is tile 2. Lesen Sie die Texte und die Aufgaben 6 bis 7. Wo finden Sie Informationen? Meaning, wherever you find the same information from both the text, whichever is correct, there you have to just cross it. Kreuzen Sie an A oder B. Okay, meaning A or B, you can cross on the same. So first we'll see this Beispiel. Beispiel is example. So they have given text and one question just for your understanding. They have given the answer also, solution also. So these are the two texts. And one is about some concert, right? Open air concert. Am 30.5. 30th May, there is a concert. And then regarding that, they have given Findet by Regen in the Stadthalle Stadt. Okay. And in the next text, there is a Deutsche Wetterdienst, Wetter und Klima. Now here, the information about weather is given. So we have to see the questions and then accordingly we'll answer those questions. First, they have given the example, Sie wollen wissen. Okay, now this means where will you find it or where will you know? Regen, es ist Deutschland. Now, what is the question? That is it raining in Germany? Okay, Regen, es in Deutschland. So, it is clear that from second text, it is clear that that is correct. Okay, that is the right answer. So here, they have crossed it on B or B in German, www.dwd.de. Okay, so this is the correct answer, richtig answer, right? Now we'll see the examples. First we'll see sechs. Aufgabe 6. Sie möchten mit dem Schiff auf dem Rhein fahren. Okay, Rhine is the river. So suppose you want to travel in a ship to Rhine, river Rhine. So which is the correct information from these two texts? So I suppose the first one, it is given some advertisement regarding a hotel, right? Pension, ship, and some rates for Zimmer is room, single room, double room, and everything. The information is given here in the first text. And the second text, the information about this Schiff fahren in Auden Rhine, it is given. So the next one or the second one is correct. So this one you have to cross for this www.bingen.reudesheimer.de. Okay, so this is the correct answer, but you have to cross it on B. Then 7. 7 is Sie möchten Deutsch in Deutschland lernen. Suppose you want to learn German in Germany. So which information is richtig or true or correct? So first one is here Sprachen Institute, some institutes advertisement or information is given. And the other also here Spanish and other languages, English, they also teach all these languages. Now, here this institute, this particular institute is in Dresden. If you see the first text, sprachenfuchs.de. So we suppose that first answer is correct. So A or A, www.sprachenfuchs.de. So this is the correct answer. You have to cross on A. Then eighth one is Sie möchten ein Zugticket im Internet kaufen. This means you have to, suppose you want to buy Zug ticket meaning train ticket from internet, on internet. Okay, so which one is correct? They are asking here. Suppose if you see, first one is Deutsches Reisebüro. Here also something ticket service is there in the next one also. But if you see for particular train ticket or Bahn ticket, Zug ticket, the first one is correct, right? It is richtig, A, because Deutsche Bahn is given in this text, whereas here for theater, concert, all these tickets you can buy from the next information or text. So I suppose or we suppose A is richtig. Okay, two. So you can cross on A www.dare.com. So this is the eighth one. Now we'll see ninth one. Ninth one is Sie möchten Informationen über den Bodensee. Okay, Bodensee is a open air lake. So this or this is correct, they are asking. Now here in the first one, tourist information is given about Bodensee. And in next one, some other information is given, right? So here particularly on Bodensee, the tourist information is given. So we suppose this one is correct because here hotel service is also there. Everything all about Bodensee, all this tourist information is given here. So we suppose A is correct. So you can cross on A. Now the 10th one is Sie sind in Wiesbaden und möchten mit dem Zug am Mittag in Hamburg sein. Okay, so what does this mean? This means now you are in Wiesbaden, suppose, okay, and you want to travel to Hamburg, and that is also Mittag, noon. So which Zug you can take? Okay, that is the question. Now here, both the train information is given. In A, actually in A, if you see here, the train is from Hamburg to Wiesbaden. Okay, but we don't want it that way. We want that the train should be from Wiesbaden to Hamburg, and it should reach Hamburg in the afternoon, right? So this we suppose that B is correct. Okay, this Reiseauskunft dot Bahn dot de Auskunft is inquiry. So this is the 10th one. So you can uh, correct that one, that B is correct, and you can cross it. Okay, so this is all about tile 2 from lesson section. So in third part we'll see tile 3 from lesson section. Again there will be 5 questions, Aufgabe, right? So I hope this is clear with you. That's all for today, friends. If you like my videos, do subscribe to my channel, like and share. Thank you and bye bye.